Double-Sided Tape Grip Reusable Traceless Removable Transparent Adhesive Sticker Kitchen. Bathroom Washable Tape. This product has been sold for over 3,000 times. And it has great reviews on them. Buy right now to get 86% OFF. The Nano Double-Sided Tape Grip is a must-have for anyone who wants to organize their home or office space. This innovative adhesive tape is perfect for use on walls, tiles, glass, wood, and metal. It is a reusable and traceless tape that can be removed easily without leaving any residue. The tape is made of high-quality nano-materials that make it strong and durable. It has excellent adhesion and can hold up to 1 kilogram of weight per square centimeter. This makes it ideal for hanging pictures, posters, and other decorative items on walls. It is also great for securing carpet, rugs. The Nano Double-Sided Tape Grip is waterproof, heat-resistant, and UV-resistant. This makes it perfect for use in bathrooms and other areas that are exposed to moisture and heat. The tape is also resistant to sunlight, which means that it will not yellow or lose its adhesion over time. One of the best features of the Nano Double-Sided Tape Grip is its reusable